You're inspiration for millions and billions of people. But was there one person, it could be from movie industry या कोई inspirational person ऐसा जिसने आपको inspire किया, जिसको आप देख के you think के
मैंने
where you are
बहुत लोगों से इंस्पिरेशन ली. अचीवर्स से मैं हर रोज इंस्पिरेशन लेती हूँ. Like recently I was watching Cristiano Ronaldo's fiance's documentary, I Am Georgina, on Netflix, and I saw Ronaldo's couple of interviews, and he's killed every kind of assumption. They say by the time you're 24, 25, 26, your time in football is over. He's 33, 34, 35, and he said, I have defeated it. I'm 10 years older than what the average age. Like, I should have retired 10 years ago. And he was talking about, how many sacrifices go into being where it is. He's saying for the outside people see, the glamorous life, the private jets, the money, the endorsements, the cars, the big homes, everything that comes. He's saying, after every game that I won, I had the opportunity, I have a private jet, go to this place and party, go to that nightclub and have a drink, go to this restaurant and enjoy yourself. He said, I didn't do any of that. I would go home, get my rest, be prepared. I take a holiday just maybe once a year, if at all. And on that holiday, I do things like workouts, I swim, I rest, I sleep, I rejuvenate. So there's so much sacrifice that goes into it.